In this episode, I'm going to cover a question that I'm getting frequently as my viewership gets larger with non-English speaking viewers. And while it's not specifically gaming related, it could help you understand a video that isn't recorded in a language that you understand. If you would like to learn how to automatically translate videos on YouTube in closed captions into the language that you speak, please stand by. Hey everyone, welcome back. Bronze Dragon here, as always, saying thanks for dropping by. Please leave a like on the video if you like this kind of content, and please subscribe if you haven't already. This is going to be a quick informational video that I hope will help some of my viewers. I'm going to demonstrate how to turn on closed captioning on a YouTube video and then turn on auto translate for your preferred language. It uses AI to auto translate. So let's dive in. First, select the closed caption button. It's labeled CC. Click on it. Then, click on the gear to its right. Now, click on Subtitles. Click on Auto Translate, and then pick out the language that you want. That's it. Another option, if you don't feel like reading subtitles, is the AI-generated voice option. Now, this is a little bit more limited. It has fewer selections as far as language choices. Go into the gear icon, Settings, and this time choose Audio Track, and then choose the language you would prefer to hear the video in. I hope this short tutorial has helped. You should be able to use this on any YouTube video at this point. We no longer have to translate videos manually. It's all done with AI. So this has been Bronze Dragon. I hope everyone on your side is happy and healthy. And hey, I'll see you in game.